New to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick get ready with me. So this is just kind of like a quick fall glam for a woman of color. Nothing too bedazzled, still simple but still popping. I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. Like I said, it's something that's supposed to be simple, kind of everyday glam for the fall. If you're going on a date night, ready to take your girls, man, you know what, you already know what it is. I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. If this is your first time subbing my channel, please stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? Please tell me, what is it you is waiting for? It is right there on the screen. Make sure you follow me, add me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into the tutorial.
Hi my love, so let's get right into this video. My skin is already moisturized and prepped. To start off, I'm going to be going in with my Sugar Sweet Cosmetics brow pomade in Ebony, and I go in with my spoolie to brush out my eyebrows, and then I'm just going in with my Urban Decay angle eyebrow brush, and I'm using that to fill in my brows. As you guys can see, I'm just filling it in, following my natural brow arch. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX Cosmetic Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm using this to clean up my brow. I like to go with something a little lighter so my eyebrow arch can have a little bit of a light conceal to it. And I'm just outlining my brow shape, the same thing I did to the bottom, the same thing I do to the top. Sometimes with the top I like to use my foundation, but for this tutorial I decided to use the same concealer that I started off with. After that, I'm just gonna go in with my blending brush. The brush is from Real Techniques, and I'm just blending that out. Next, I'm gonna go in with Makeup Revolution Cut Crease canvas, and I'm going to use this to prime my lid. Sometimes I tend to use either eyeshadow primer or my concealer that I use for my eyebrows to prime my lids, but I'm using this Cut Crease canvas to prime my lids just for more pigmentation. For my palette of choice today, I'm using the Alaric Cosmetics Birthday Suit palette, and I'm using the first color is like a light, kind of like a white brown color, and I'm just using that to blend out. And then for my transition, I'm going in with like a auburn brown, and I'm just blending that in all over my lid, as you guys can see. And the shadow palette is actually really pigmented and really good. And after that, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Self-Made palette. Yes, this palette is OG and it's old, and I'm using this nice little chocolate brown color just to do my crease. And then I'm gonna go in and apply the champagne color on my lid. I did spray my brush with some setting spray just to give it a little bit more pigment, and then it's just a cut crease without cutting my crease. And just to finish up the eye, I'm going in with my New York Colors matte black liner. This black liner, you guys already know, is OG to me. I love it. If you guys want to see a detailed eyeliner tutorial, let me know. I'd love to film this for you guys as well, beginner friendly. I'm planning on bringing back my beginner friendly video, by the way. And just for my mascara, I'm going in with my Smashbox Cosmetic Superfan mascara. This is, I believe, the collab they did with Lily Singh. But yeah, and then for my lashes, I'm going with Oma's Cosmetic Lashes in Jody. This lashes is super nice. For my lash adhesive, you guys already know what it is. I'm using my Shop Lady Lashes Lash Adhesive, the GOAT of all GOAT of lash adhesive. So now we're going to start on our complexion. For my primer today, I'll be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and this primer is really good. It is good for combination and dry skin. It is infused with coconut water, which really hydrates the skin and gives the skin the moisture it needs. And then for my foundation, I'm going in with the CoverGirl True Blend Foundation in D70. This foundation is a matte finish foundation. It is amazing. It gives you the coverage you need. If you're looking for a light coverage, you can use it. If you're looking for a buildable coverage, this is the foundation you need, because this foundation is buildable. And to blend out my foundation, I'm just using a regular foundation brush. I believe I bought this set about like a year or two ago from eBay. You can really find a lot of affordable brushes on eBay. If you guys didn't know that, definitely check it out. And then after I'm done using a foundation brush to blend out my foundation, I like to go in with a beauty blender. So I'm using my Real Techniques beauty blender, and I'm just blending that in to the skin so it just sits perfectly. And then for my concealer today, I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and my e.l.f. Cosmetic Camouflage concealer. I love these two together. They give me the coverage I need. They pair well together. And I'm going in again with the same beauty blender or beauty sponge that I use for my foundation, just to blend out the concealer, because it gives it such a seamless blend and everything just flows very much well together. When it comes to concealing, you want to just press it into the skin. Don't rub, press into the skin so it sits on very well. And then for my contour today, I'm using a camo concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics in Rich Ebony, and I'm just putting that on my jawline and on my nose bridge, on my cheekbone and on my nose bridge, just to contour that. I usually try to contour my jawline, but my jawline is very sharp, as you guys can see, so I just don't bother with it. And then I'm using a brush. My brush is from Mix and Blend Beauty. It is a contour brush. And then for my nose, I'm using one of the brushes from Real Techniques. This is in their Beauty Blender Holiday set. Love this brush. It's really good for concealers. And then to set everything, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in Deep. This has become my favorite setting powder, and I was really iffy about it in the beginning, but now I am in love with it. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm just applying it anywhere I apply the concealer and the contour, just because it sits very well. And then I'm using my foundation brush just to blend everything out. Reason being, I'm not using a powder because this translucent powder literally works as a finishing powder for me. So I just don't even bother using a powder with. So I'm just using the foundation brush to blend everything out. And now after that, I'm just using whatever was left over on my eyeshadow brush to put on my lower lid, just to give it a nice fuller look. For my waterline, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetic Fake Awake eyeliner, and I'm applying that to my lower waterline. I love this. It's kind of like a creamy consistency, and it's very, very bright. And then for my mascara, I'm using the same Superfan mascara. If you're looking for a mascara that gives you length and volume, this is the go-to mascara. Now we're gonna come back into complexion. For my blush today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry Bay. You guys already know what it is. This is one of my favorite blush. And then for my highlight today, I'm using the Mix and Blend Beauty Give Me That highlighter palette. I'm using the really gold tone shade in the palette. I really do love this palette. It gives you like the ultimate glow, like glowing for days. Okay, for days, honey. So now we're gonna go into our lip. For my lip today, to line my lip, I'm using the LA Girl Cosmetics eyeliner in Espresso. Yes, I tend to use a lot of eyeliners for my lip just because I like it better. I really love this eyeliner because it's very, very, very nice. And then for my lipstick, I'm using Sugar Sweet Cosmetics Caramel Cream. You guys already seen this on my channel. And for my gloss, I'm using Shade by Gal Gloss in Super Sweet. And yeah, guys, and then to finish it all, I'm just gonna set my face with my setting spray from Morphe. I do apologize for the little stuttering in my voice note. I haven't done this in a long time, but I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and this is the outcome of the look. Hope you guys love it as much as I did. I had so much fun filming this tutorial for you guys, as always.
Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. As I said, it is something that's supposed to be an easy go-to fall look. You can even wear this during the holidays because it's very simple, very subtle, but still glammed up. I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. If this is your first time stepping by my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we'll see you in our next video. But in order for that to happen, I would need you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not kicking it with me in any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. That's literally how you guys know what I'm doing when I'm not on YouTube. Like always, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support. It really and truly means so much to me, and I will see you guys all in my next upload. Bye. Mwah.